How to change your Amazon password or how to change Amazon password. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your Amazon password. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you'll have to open up the Amazon shopping application. You can get it on the Play Store. You can open it up and you can log into your account. Once you do so, at the bottom you should be able to see 5 different icons there. In the middle you can see the profile icon, so you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom middle of your screen. Once you do so here, you should be able to see the various options there. You want to simply tap on your account option there on the screen, and once you do so here, you should be able to see these options right under account settings. If you scroll down, you should be able to see the option very first one, the login and security. Tap on it, and once you tap on it here, let it load up, and if you scroll down below, you want to find the option that says password. Beside it, you'll find the edit option. Simply tap on edit and go ahead and change your password. So this way you can change your Amazon password. I hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.